Miss Megan, and today we are going to do something so fun. It's one of Miss Megan's favorite things to do, and it is a few ballet moves. So I want you guys to either put some socks on your feet, or if you have ballet shoes, go ahead and put those ballet shoes on, and we are going to start learning some basic ballet moves. All right, let's go. Okay, so I want to make sure I have the right shoes for this type of dance. Well, this is not a ballet shoe. This is a character shoe. We don't need that. What else do we have? Ooh, this one's fun, but this is not a ballet shoe. Do we know what this is? It's a tap shoe. We don't need that for this video. Let's see, what else do we have in Miss Megan's dance bag? I've got tights and leotards. I've got more tap shoes. Ooh, I have this type of shoe. But is this a ballet shoe? No, this is a black jazz shoe. Ah, here we are. Found one. Now let's see if we can find the other. Perfect. This is a ballet shoe, and it's been worn quite a bit. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, one thing that's super important to do before we start dancing is we want to put our hair up. If we have long hair, we want to put it up before we dance. That way, it won't get caught in our arms or anything like that. So let's put our hair up, either in a ponytail or a bun. Either one is great. Okay, so we have our hair up. So we are going to start with first position. So in first position, we look like this. Like we're holding a beach ball with our arms, and our feet are pointing this way. Excuse Emma right there. She's my sweet little cat. This is our first position. And our heels are together, and our feet are pointed. And then we go to second position. Second position is similar to first position. It is, our heels are not touching though, and our feet are still apart. Our feet are kind of shoulder width. Our heels are kind of right under our shoulder. So we're getting a good thing there. So good job, everyone. So third position. Third position is a little different. So third position, your foot is turned out. Emma loves to play with the bugs outside our window. So third position is you have your foot here, and then you take your heel and you put it to the arch of your foot. Okay, so this is third position for your feet, and it's pretty fun. It's pretty great, and it's not really used for choreography. It's mostly used for bar purposes, bar exercises. So say I would be holding on to a bar right here. The fourth position is very similar to third position. So the fourth position is when you take your third position right here and you move it forward just a tiny, tiny bit. Just a tiny, tiny bit. You move it forward to where your the arch of your foot and your heel are separate. Okay? Fifth position is a little bit tricky, and it's okay if your feet don't touch. This is sweet Emma right here. And so it's okay if your feet don't touch the very first time you try it. So fifth position looks like this. It's when both of your feet are touching. And so this is fifth position. It's our fifth and final position. so let's review that. And we have first position, second position, and we're just focusing on our lower body right now, not our upper body. So we have first position, second position, third position. I'm doing it with my opposite foot now if you don't see that. My fourth position, fifth position. Very good. So I want to see you hit first, and second, and third, and fifth. Ooh, tripped ya. And second, and first, and second, and first, and second, and third. Ooh, can you hit third? Maybe let's see if you can hit fourth, or fifth, maybe second, or first. Good job. I think you guys have it. So if you guys thought that was fun, that has nothing on our in-person classes, which we are going to offer in the fall of 2020. And we are so excited, and we are going forward with camp as planned. So go ahead and register. We're so pumped, and we'll be able to learn stuff like that in person. And it'll make probably a lot more sense, and you'll be able to ask questions and all of that. So we are so excited to be offering fall classes. Go ahead and look on our website for that information, and we'll see you soon. Bye!